Can a WeCreat laser really cut a continuous 64-inch wood Christmas tree? The answer is yes. With the WeCreat auto pass-through feeder, you can cut up to 137 inches. That's so long that we had to piece together tubs, tables, a ladder, and a fan to support an 8-foot-long piece of wood. Crazy, right? Well, maybe, but it worked. Stick around to the end of this video for information on WeCreat's Black Friday mega sale on all of their laser engravers that's going on now. You can save up to $3,250. You're not going to want to miss out on the lowest prices of 2025. We're using the WeCreat 45-watt Vision Pro with the auto pass-through feeder. If you're interested in the setup process for that, check out our video linked in the top right for a full walkthrough tutorial. We're loading in a 14-inch wide piece of wood into the laser with about 3 inches showing from the top view. And the key with the pass-through feeder is to insert the wood and turn the knob for firm pressure. Fresh was kind enough to give me a skinny tree image, which I've opened up in the WeCreat Make It software. Now we've purchased these red, white, and green LED Christmas lights and measured where the light screws into the socket and came up with about 0.75 inch. That's the size of the circles in the tree image Fresh provided. We're using a 1/4-inch plywood for this project, and under materials selected, we've used the 5mm basswood. Now our entire design is a cut, nothing else, and we went with power 100, speed 2 with 1 pass-through. The key here was to add perforated lines so that the small circles don't fall out and jam the conveyor. We left smart recommendations on so that the software would determine where to put the breakpoints. At the top right where it currently says laser flat, we changed that to auto pass-through feeder, and then we zoomed out and placed our design within the canvas. From there we clicked autofocus. After that, we click Start, and before actually sending the design to be cut, it's always a good idea to frame your design for proper placement on your material. And it's actually a good way to see the auto pass-through feeder in action. With our design where we wanted it, we click Send and then press the button on the front of the laser to start the cutting process. Check out the WeCreat Ultra Air Guard Fume Extractor. We ran it on level 1 and it did an excellent job keeping our workspace fume and smell free. When the cut process finished, I simply popped out the tree and the circles to reveal the finished product. I gotta say, that is pretty cool, and some of my bigger lasers are not able to cut 137 inches in one pass, so that really sets the WeCreat apart from some of the others. After that, the final process was simply to sand the wood, get it nice and smooth before painting it, and I also applied 2 layers of sealer on top. After that, it was just a matter of screwing in the lights and plugging it in. WeCreat makes it easy. If you can imagine it, you can create it with one of their lasers. And right now they're running their biggest sale of 2025. The prices are unbeatable. There's also an option on their website to spin and win. Just subscribe for a chance to win free materials, accessories, or even 100% cash back. The WeCreat Black Friday sale runs from November 3rd to November 28th, and their Cyber Monday sale runs from November 29th through December 2nd. Don't miss out on your last chance for the biggest savings of the year. And there are a few extra product codes that are valid November 3rd through December 2nd, but note that these cannot be stacked with previous offers due to already discounted prices. I think our Christmas tree turned out really cute, and it was easy to make with the WeCreat Auto Pass-Through Feeder. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified of new content. And thanks for watching, and happy crafting!